Hey everyone, what is going on and welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh and I'm the Daily Explorer, and in today's episode I'm here at St. Vincent Cemetery. So this is a very spooky cemetery here in Akron, Ohio. Tons of historical graves here. I did a daytime featurette here on this cemetery itself, so if you guys get a chance, go check out that video. I'll try to link that in the description down below. This episode here, we're going to be doing some ghost hunting, some EVPs. I'm going to be recording any sort of ghost activity that I hear on the good old iPhone itself, and I'm going to overlay the audio as a wavelength audio form, so that way we kind of see and visualize if we hear anything as well. So I love doing these types of videos. These definitely seem to be really popular. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of these, so make sure you guys subscribe for that. But let's go ahead and jump into the video, friends. Let's do it. Okay, starting the video off here, I am right in front of the good old Vaughn Monument. If you guys have seen my last video, you guys will be able to see a little bit more about this monument here. Such a beautifully detailed gravestone or monument for the Vaughn family. It's definitely one of the highlights of the cemetery here. It's amazing because if you guys are following me on TikTok, I actually had somebody on TikTok tell me that this is actually a fully zinc metal monument itself. So it's pretty cool. So we're going to be doing some audio and EVP here to see if we can hear anything. And hopefully we capture something on audio. But of course I won't know until post, so you guys definitely have to listen in, and then we're going to see if we capture anything. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start the audio recording here on the iPhone, and then we're going to go from there. Boom, there we go. And we're recording now. Okay, everyone. So for any of the spirits that are listening in right now, is there anyone here with me right now that is not alive? If there are any spirits here with me right now, are you able to tell me how many people are here with me right now, currently? Are you able to tell me, did you die a painful death, or was it a fast and peaceful death? This cemetery is very close to the city itself. Does that bother you at all? Are you perhaps the Vaughn family or one of the Vaughn family members? Were you a child when you passed, or were you an adult? Were you a military veteran, or were you associated with the World War I? They have what is referred to as the old section here. Are you in the old section, or are you currently where I'm at right now? Do you have multiple family members here, or are you alone here in this cemetery? Has your grave ever been damaged or disturbed in any sort of way? Are you able to tell me what year you died? There are a lot of clubs and things like that in this area that play loud music. Are you a fan of music, or does that perhaps bother you? Did you pass away in the 1800s or the 1900s? There's been a lot of snowfall. Does the snow bother you, or do you like the summertime temperatures? Okay, and for one of my last questions, are you looking at me currently right now? And do you like to scare visitors when they arrive here at the cemetery? There have been stories of ghosts running around towards the entrance of the cemetery. Is that you? All right, everyone, we're going to end the EVP now and the sound recording there. So, yeah, hopefully we pick something up on audio. Those are always very, very spooky and creepy to review after the fact. And occasionally I hear some very weird stuff on these. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. It was definitely a very spooky one. I enjoyed making it so that way I was able to cover pretty much all of the cemetery as far as the historical and any sort of possible ghost activity that can kind of be going on here. So it's very important for me to document stuff like that. And plus I love to adventure, and that's part of the process. So, and that's where we're going to end the video, you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. It was a really spooky episode. Tons of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys can, check out my other videos. It means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in the next video. My name is Josh, and I'm the Daily Explorer, and I'm out.